Today for our DIY, we are going to be making foaming hand soap. And this is a super, super easy recipe. Anybody can do it. It takes less than 5 minutes. And it's literally 3 ingredients, with one of those ingredients being water, one of those ingredients being essential oils, and the last ingredient being liquid Castile soap, okay? And so DIY does not mean difficult, right? It can be really, really easy. Hi, Annie, good to see you on here. So this is one of the things that I make myself. I am really not a big DIY person, but there are a few things that I do make for my home that involve essential oils because like most of us in here, we love natural products, and I like to know the ingredients that go into them. And so if it's something that's easy and it doesn't take a lot of time, then I'm in and I'll do it. And foaming hand soap is one of those. So I make the foaming hand soap for all of our sinks in our house, our kitchen, our bathrooms, everywhere. So all you need is a foaming hand soap dispenser, and you can get these on Amazon. They're super inexpensive. doTERRA has them too. When you get their, I think you can buy replacements, and you can also get them with their foaming hand soap as well. But if you just want to buy some on Amazon for super cheap, you can. And so I use these in a lot of my bathrooms, and these are plastic. But you can buy them in bulk, or you can just get a couple at a time, and they're really inexpensive. Or you can get the glass ones. So like I have the glass ones in my kitchen, and then a couple of the bathrooms too. So if you prefer glass, then there's that option. Just make sure it's a foaming hand soap dispenser. Okay, and then you'll just need the liquid Castile soap. Okay, and so I use Dr. Bronner's, and make sure you get the unscented, right? Because we are going to be adding our own essential oils to it. So you don't want like a lavender or peppermint scent. You want to make sure you get the unscented version. And again, I get this on Amazon. You can buy like a 2-pack of the large bottles for much cheaper than you can get at the store. Okay, and then you'll need your essential oils. So you can literally add any oils you want to this foaming hand soap, whatever aroma you're going for. On Guard is always a good one because it's a natural disinfectant. So On Guard is a great place to start. If you're like, I don't know what oil to use, lavender is great. Ylang ylang. I mean, there's so many oils. Just think of what kind of aroma you want in your soap and go with that. But today I'm gonna use some kind of holiday smelling oils and some of the oils that came in the BOGO box. So Northern Escape is one that came in the BOGO box, and I am loving it. It's the Woodland Blend, and it literally smells like a forest, and it's just beautiful. So I have really been enjoying this blend lately. It's got different fir oils and other tree oils, so you can imagine how grounding it is, and it just has such a beautiful aroma. And then I'm gonna add some additional Siberian fir to it because I really love the Siberian fir. So nice. So we are gonna do, in this glass foaming hand soap dispenser, I'm gonna do 5 drops of each, okay? And really, depending on the size of your soap dispenser and just how strong you like the aroma, I would say 5 to 10 drops of oil is great, but find the amount that really works for you. So here's how we're gonna do it. It's gonna take about less than a minute probably. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up with about 2/3 water. And again, oh, Holly says the hand soap recipe has been so helpful for so many people. I love mixing the smells for different seasons. Yes, Holly, I'm glad it's been so helpful. And I agree, I love playing around with the different oils to get different aromas for different seasons. Absolutely, that's such a good suggestion. So I'm gonna do about 2/3 water. And again, depending on how concentrated you want your soap, if you wanna do half and half, that's fine. All right, so I've got water in here. It's a little foamy because I had a little bit of soap in here before. So I've got it filled with water to where I want it. And since I have one that's almost out, so just gonna take the cap off and fill this up. All right, so I'm gonna fill it up to about there to make sure I can put the cap back on, it doesn't overflow. So I've got the soap and the water. And then I'm gonna do 5 drops of the Northern Escape. And then I will do 5 drops of the Siberian Fir. Okay, and then I will put the cap back on, give it a little shake, and you're set. That is all you have to do. And you've got your own homemade hand soap that is non-toxic, uses great ingredients, you've got the aroma of the essential oils. And so whether you make this for yourself and your home and your family, or you can make these as gifts and give them to teachers or family and friends, everyone loves this, and it's so easy, and you get a beautiful aroma and clean hands out of it. So I hope you enjoy this. Please feel free to comment below if you make your own hand soap and what some of your favorite oils are to use in your soap, or if you have any questions, please post those in the comments as well. All right, hope you have a great day. Bye.